Friends, welcome to Physics Live channel. Today we are going to study equations in electromagnetic theory. First, the equations in electrostatics. Coulomb's force F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q1 Q2 divided by R square R cap, where Q1 Q2 are charges, R is the distance between charge and epsilon is the permittivity. The force in free space in 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 divided by R square R cap. 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 is a constant equal to 9 into 10 raised to 9 Newton per meter square. F medium that's equal to F air divided by epsilon r. Epsilon r is the relative permittivity. Refractive index is equal to under root epsilon r. Linear charge density lambda is equal to dq by dx. Surface charge density sigma is equal to dq by dA. Volume charge density rho is equal to dq by dV. F is equal to EQ. E is electric field, Q is charge. For a thin rod, electric field perpendicular that's equal to theta 1 and theta 2 angle. So E perpendicular is equal to K lambda divided by Z sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2. Z is the distance from center to that point. E parallel is equal to K lambda divided by Z cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2. For a circular ring, electric field is equal to KQZ divided by Z square plus R square all power 3 by 2. Where R is the radius of circular ring, Z is the distance from the point to the circular ring. Electric flux is equal to phi total is equal to integral E dot dA. Gauss law, phi total is equal to Q enclosed by epsilon naught. Hollow sphere. For hollow sphere, electric field outside that's equal to KQ by small r square r cap. R is the distance from the point to that of hollow sphere. E is equal to KQ by capital R square R cap is the electric field on the body. Capital R is the radius of hollow sphere. And E is equal to 0 for electric field inside body. For solid sphere, E is equal to KQ by small r square R cap is the electric field outside. On the body electric field that is KQ by capital R square R cap. Electric field inside that is KQ small r divided by R cube or rho r divided by 3 epsilon naught. Rho is the volume charge density. For solid cylinder, E out is equal to rho r square divided by 2r epsilon naught. E on is equal to rho r divided by 2 epsilon naught. E inside is equal to rho small r divided by 2 epsilon naught. We know that electric field that's equal to minus of del V. V is potential. For an equipotential surface, potential V is constant. Electric field inside is equal to 0. Flux inside is equal to 0. Charge inside is equal to 0. Charge inside is equal to 0. Gauss law, integral E dot ds is equal to Q enclosed by epsilon naught. Gauss differential formula is equal to del dot E is equal to rho by epsilon naught. Poisson's equation that's equal to del square V is equal to minus rho by epsilon naught. Laplace equation that's equal to del square V is equal to 0. Monopole moment is equal to Q total that's equal to integral rho d tau that's equal to summation over I QI. Monopole moment is scalar that is total charge. Dipole moment P is equal to integral R bar rho d tau that's equal to summation over I QI RI. Charge into displacement that is a vector. V mono that is potential of monopole that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R. Dipole potential that's equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 P bar dot R cat divided by R square. P bar is dipole moment or P cos theta divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 R square. Electric field due to dipole that's equal to 2p cos theta divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 R cube R cap plus P sin theta theta cap divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 R cube. Electric field axial that's equal to 2 into equatorial. Dipole kept in uniform electric field. Force net that's equal to 0. Torque is equal to P cross E. P is the dipole moment. Potential energy that's equal to minus P dot E bar. E is the electric field. Sigma is equal to surface charge, that's equal to P bar dot n cap, that is P is polarization vector. Rho B is equal to volume bound charge, that's equal to minus del bar dot P bar. P is polarization vector. Gauss law in dielectrics, that's equal to closed integral of surface d bar dot ds bar is equal to q. D is displacement vector. Del dot E is equal to rho f. Displacement vector is equal to epsilon 0 E plus P. P bar is polarization vector. That's also equal to displacement vector is equal to epsilon E bar. E bar is electric field. For a linear dielectrics, polarization vector is equal to alpha E. Alpha is polarizability. That's equal to epsilon 0 chi E. Chi E is susceptibility. Next, the relation between polarization vector and displacement vector. P bar is equal to epsilon r minus 1 divided by epsilon r into d bar. P bar is equal to epsilon 0 into epsilon r minus 1 into E bar. Electrostatic energy U is equal to half into integral E bar dot d bar d2. D bar is the displacement vector. For a hollow sphere, electrostatic energy that's equal to half into kq square divided by capital R. For solid sphere, 3 by 5 kq square divided by R. Next, we go to the section of magnetostatics. Biot-Savart's law, magnetic field at a point from distance r, and there is a current carrying element which carries current I, length element dl, and angle is theta. So the Biot-Savart's law B is equal to mu 0 by 4 pi integral I dl sin theta divided by r square, or mu 0 by 4 pi integral I dl cross r cap by r square, or mu 0 divided by 4 pi integral I dl cross r bar divided by r cube. For a straight current carrying wire at a distance r, theta 1 and theta 2 angles, magnetic field is equal to mu 0 I by 4 pi a cos theta 1 plus cos theta 2. For a straight conductor, one more equation, that is B is equal to mu 0 I by 4 pi a sin alpha plus sin beta. Alpha and beta, the angles at the point which connects the center. Circular current carrying wire, magnetic field is equal to mu 0 I by 4 pi r into phi. Phi is the angle made by the circular element. Circular coil at a distance x, the magnetic field is equal to B is equal to mu 0 IR square divided by 2 into r square plus x square all power 3 by 2. For n turns, B is equal to mu 0 Ni r square divided by 2 into r square plus x square all power 3 by 2, just multiplied by capital N, number of turns. For a solenoid, B is equal to mu 0 Ni divided by 2 into sin alpha plus sin beta. For a toroid, B is equal to mu 0 Ni. For solenoid, we know that N is equal to capital N by L, and here toroid N is equal to capital N by 2 pi r. Okay. Ampere's law, that's equal to integral closed integral B dot dl is equal to mu 0 I enclosed. Mu 0 is the permeability. Magnetic force is equal to F bar is equal to Q into V cross B. V is the velocity, Q is charge, B is magnetic field. Force on current carrying wire, F is equal to BIL. Magnetic field into current into length, BIL. Phi B, that is magnetic flux, is equal to B bar dot A bar. Faraday's law, EMF is equal to derivative of flux with respect to time, d phi b by dt. Lenz's law, which gives the direction of EMF, E is equal to d phi b by dt. I is equal to current is equal to EMF divided by resistance. E induced electric field induced, that's equal to V cross B bar. EMF is equal to integral E bar dot dl bar. EMF is equal to BLV. Gauss's law in magnetostatics, del bar dot B bar is equal to 0. Magnetic monopole does not exist. Del bar dot E bar is equal to rho by epsilon naught. Del cross E bar is equal to minus dou B by dou T. Del cross B bar is equal to mu 0 J. B bar is equal to mu into H bar. This is the magnetic field intensity. Del cross H bar is equal to J bar. J bar is the current density. Modified Ampere's law, del cross B bar is equal to mu 0 JF bar plus mu 0 epsilon 0 dou E bar by dou T. So Maxwell's equation in medium, del bar dot E bar is equal to rho F by epsilon naught. Del bar cross E bar is equal to minus dou B by dou T. Del bar dot B bar is equal to 0. Del bar cross B bar is equal to mu JF bar plus mu epsilon dou E by dou T. For air, we know that the relative permittivity and permeability are 1. So del bar dot E bar is equal to rho F by epsilon naught. Del bar dot B bar is equal to 0. Del bar cross E bar is equal to minus dou B by dou T. Del bar cross B bar is equal to mu 0 JF bar plus mu 0 epsilon 0 dou E bar dou T. For free space, we know that JF and rho F is equal to 0. So del bar dot E bar is equal to 0. Del bar dot B bar is equal to 0. Del bar cross E bar is equal to minus dou B by dou T. Del bar cross B bar is equal to mu 0 epsilon 0 dou E by dou T. Because we know that JF is equal to 0, so this term cancel. Here also rho F is equal to 0, so this will be 0 here in the free space. For static fields, we know that the time derivatives of electric and magnetic fields are 0. JF and rho F are 0. Static fields and free space. So all the equations will be equal to 0. So del bar dot E bar is equal to 0. Del bar dot B bar is equal to 0. Del bar cross E bar is equal to 0. Del bar cross B bar is equal to 0. Linear form of Maxwell's equation, Ik dot E bar is equal to rho F by epsilon 0. K is the wave vector. K bar dot B bar is equal to 0. Ik cross E bar is equal to I omega B bar. So here we cancel I, so K cross E bar is equal to omega B bar. Ik cross B bar is equal to mu 0 JF minus I omega mu 0 epsilon 0 E bar. We know that in free space rho F and JF are 0. So K bar dot E bar is equal to 0. K bar dot B bar is equal to 0. K bar cross E bar is equal to omega B bar. K bar cross B bar is equal to minus mu 0 epsilon 0 omega E bar. That's equal to minus omega by c square E bar. We know that mu 0 epsilon 0 is equal to 1 by c square. C is the velocity of light. Charge conjugation, that is Q is changes to minus Q, electric field is changes to minus E, B is changes to minus B. Parity, that is space inversion, that is E is changes to minus E, B is changes to B. B does not change. In time reversal, E does not change, B is changes to minus B.